Hi, Steve from Wandsworth Physiotherapy. Back pain is the number one thing that we treat here at Wandsworth Physiotherapy. And patients often come in and use the terms, they think they've slipped a disc or they've trapped a nerve. And in reality, neither of these things actually exist. So if we think about discs, the disc is not like a hockey puck. It cannot just slip out and it cannot be treated and popped back in. The disc is actually degenerating slowly over time, and what this means is that it's becoming slightly more dehydrated, it flattens, and you get bulges around the edge. Now, this means that the load is not being transmitted through the bottom part of the spine adequately anymore. And what that does is it exposes the joints at the bottom of the spine to more load. Now, this is the most common aggravated structure in the back, or the most common pathology that we see is facet joint impaction or facet joint aggravation. Now, this is a deep, dull aching pain in the lower part of the back, either in the middle or on one side and referring down into the buttock. Now, this kind of problem can be treated quite well with physiotherapy. It may take anywhere from 2 weeks to 6 weeks to get better with mobilizations, massage, acupuncture and home exercises. Now, the second thing is trapped nerves. Now, the nerve can't become trapped. What can happen is the nerve can be pressed upon and it can become irritated. Now, if the nerve is pressed upon where it's leaving the spine, it can just disrupt the flow of information through that nerve, and it can create some pins and needles, or it can create some numbness going into your leg, for example. And if the nerve root is irritated and it becomes inflamed, it can be extremely painful, severe, sharp shooting pain down the leg. Now, this might take a little bit longer to resolve in terms of 6 to 8 weeks, 12 weeks sometimes. But again, physiotherapy is quite useful at settling this down with mobilizations to open the space where that nerve is coming out of, massage, acupuncture, and again, a home exercise program. So if you think you've slipped a disc or trapped a nerve, come and see me or one of my team here at Wandsworth Physiotherapy, and we'll be able to get you out of pain and get you back on the right track.